讲到这台积电董事长魏德嘉，伫咧台湾时间初四透早，伫咧美国白宫和美国总统川普，也个美国嘅商务部长做伙来举行着联合记者会，宣布台积电会伫咧美国增加投资上无美金1000亿，伫咧亚利桑那州呢，搁再打造3座嘅晶圆厂，也个2座先进封测厂和研发中心。川普用世界上上强大公司来形容台积电，也讲到若准这台湾未来有代志，对美国会造成真大影响。
For those of you that are into that world, you would say, "Wow, he's a legend," but he is a legend.
川普口中的业界传奇，台积电董事长魏德嘉，台北时间初四透早，甲川普美国商务部长卢特尼克同齐伫美国白宫召开记者会，宣布台积电会阁投入至少1000亿美金，也都是新代表3.3条伫美国亚利桑那州设立新的晶圆厂。
So we are now very happy to announce we are going to invest additional 100 billion US dollar in addition to our current 65 billion US dollars investment in Arizona. We are going to build 3 more new fabs after we promised 3 fabs already, and another 2 very advanced packaging fab, and most important, R&D center.
And we'll create thousands of jobs, many thousands of jobs, and they're high-paying jobs. In total, today's announcement brings Taiwan semiconductor investments to about 165 billion they've started already.
川普2月18日都宣布会对汽车、药品、半导体等外国产业扣至少25%关税，这也使得台积电宣布的1000亿美金投资特别受到注意。川普也伫记者会明白表示，只要伫美国生产，就袂对台积电扣税。
This is exactly what Mr. Wei is doing by building here. Otherwise, they'll build, if they did them in Taiwan to send them here, they'll have 25% or 30% or 50% or whatever the number may be someday. It'll go only up. But by doing it here, he has no tariff, so he's way ahead of the game.
除了创造美国就业、半导体对 AI 自动驾驶甲先进制造等领域真重要。川普表示，伊将会争取美国的国家安全，同时嘛无袂记咧俄罗台积电是世界上上强大的公司。
This is a tremendous move by the most powerful company in the world. It's a matter of economic security. It's also a matter of national security for us.
未来美国伫全球的晶片产能有希望未能提高到40%。当现场有记者问到，伫美国生产高阶晶片，敢是会当伫中国封锁，还是对台采取行动的时，减少对美国晶片的冲击？川普是安尼回答。
Well, it's a very interesting point. It's a great question, actually, but this would certainly, I can't say minimize. That would be a catastrophic event, obviously, but it will at least give us a position where we have, in this very, very important business, we would have a very big part of it in the United States. So it would have a big impact if something should happen with Taiwan.
目前亚利桑那州红红城第一座台积电工厂已经有3000名员工，生产先进制程4奈米晶片。台积电的新闻稿也指出，这项美国史上规模上大的单项外国直接投资，除了创造数万的就业机会，也有希望使美国未来10年伫5G、6G 甲 AI 领域徛上领导地位。公司新闻王如云编译。